Okay, so today we have a little bit of a diversion. We're on a field trip, on a road trip, field trip. We're on our way to Chicago for the National Restaurant Association show, and we're stopped in Bloomfield, Iowa, the home of M3 Fabrication. They're a partner of ours. They build the housing for our fan blower that connects to our Fireboard 2 drive. So they've been a partner for us for a little while, but what's exciting about what they're doing for us now is very soon now they will be delivering our steel stairs and structural steel for the center part of our remodel project. So we've dropped by here to take a look at what their operation consists of, and also take a look at our new stairs, and also to look at our new steel stairs because they are being manufactured right now. So we'll be taking a little tour here and seeing what they got.
So we were initially welcomed in M3 Fabrication through a building that receives and processes tube goods. So this building houses the tube goods, and then they have a machine here that processes those goods. This machine is a laser machine which cuts holes, and in this case cuts holes and then cuts this tube aluminum to length. I'm sure it does a lot more than just what we're seeing, but what we're seeing is pretty amazing, especially at the end as it cuts this piece to length. So here it curves it, and as it curves, it pulls that piece of metal in and out of the machine while the laser also curves and turns and does its thing, and then it drops into the bin, and that's the finished piece. We walk into the main building and we see that Fireboard is actually on the schedule. M3 builds our Fireboard 2 drive fan housing. So this is a fan housing, or a housing that our fan is connected to, and these gentlemen are fabricating those pieces via a press brake and then another press as well. Into another room, we see a machine that's cutting sheet goods. This is an automated process where it brings the sheets into the laser cutters, and then the laser machine, figure out what kind of pieces they can get out of that sheet good. And so even if they're not pieces that are related to the same company or project, it will make the most out of that sheet good. We then find our way into a welding room where they do a series of hand welding as well as automated welding from a machine. And in that part, we also see the finished parts. These are parts that were for a snowplow company, and these parts were powder coated in their powder coating facility. M3 has a full powder coating facility, and here we see our Fireboard 2 drive fan housings getting ready for powder coating. M3 recently purchased a whole new building. This was a competitor just down the street that did larger welding projects, and Sam and his crew purchased this building, this whole facility, and basically the company, and this allows them to do much larger welding opportunities. So it branches out what they do a little bit.
Well, folks, as promised, there it is. There is our staircase. Apparently they're putting it all together, then they're gonna cut it down so they can get it on a truck and get it into our facility. And then from there, they'll reassemble it at our facility. So these tubes coming across here are there just to hold the structure together so they can put it together, and then the stairs themselves, the wood stairs, will actually hold these two side pieces together.
So there you have it, folks. Those are our new stairs. The stairs in the birth facility. They were born here. They will be delivered to our facility and installed. So thanks again for watching. We'll show them installed very soon.